Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get flower effects in the Dress and Press game of Roblox Summer Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the Dress and Press game on Roblox, and if you want to get the flower effect, you can go to this menu and then you're going to go to the Runway effect right here, and then you can purchase this flower effect with your flower currencies. Oops, it's the runway time. Okay, you can purchase it and I'm gonna try it. Now we need 50 flowers and I'm going to check out. Okay, and then you can use the flower effect during the runway. You can click on this menu and then you can select this flower icon, and the flower effect will be added when it's your turn. Oh, I have 3 effects right here and also the flower effect. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the flower effect in Dress and Press game of Roblox Summer Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!